Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a very special project. It's a 2016 Lamborghini Huracan that's traveled all the way from Fresno, California. It's about 250 miles away just to be in our hands after unfortunately hitting a Coyote on one of the back roads. The customer knew exactly where to bring it because we've done dozens of these, but with way more damage. As many of you know, we're a family-owned shop that treats every car like our own. Vlad and I are perfectionists with a lot of attention to detail. We're all about quality, quality, quality. We work with all insurance carriers and we work on all exotic cars. We offer free shipping all over the United States and we only use OEM parts. No shortcuts, no aftermarket nonsense. Stay tuned as Vlad dives into the entire repair process A to Z, from the car arriving here to tearing it down, ordering parts. While the car is here, the customer is gonna requested that we respray his two fenders and his hood. So essentially he's gonna have a brand new front hood. And all the parts are going to be ordered from Lamborghini Newport Beach, which is about 15 minutes away from us. And Vlad is going to dive into this project, tear it down, and explain the rest of the process to you.
The story with the Lamborghini Huracan. Fortunately, front end got wrecked. A little minor, nothing too crazy. Pretty much new bumper, radiator, reinforcement, and few brackets. But let's start taking everything apart and assess the damage, order all new parts, and get this car back on the road as soon as possible. Just got the car on quick jacks, so now I could start working on it. We're gonna remove the wheels, fender liners, take the front apart. Where's the key? Take the front apart and get to those parts. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Couple brackets, center radiator, reinforcement, wire harness. Yeah, nothing too crazy. Let's take everything apart and we'll go from there. That's it, just took the front end apart, and like I said, nothing too crazy, all cosmetic. Reinforcement got bent right here, this bracket got bent, condenser or radiator, center radiator got damaged, and bunch of plastic pieces, and obviously the bumper. So we'll need a new bumper, we'll need a skeleton, both grills, center grill, all that small stuff. Nothing too crazy. So now we're gonna order all the parts. Once the new parts arrive, we'll start painting and reinstalling everything back in the car. We got some progress on the Lamborghini. Finally got the rest of the parts. So I got a brand new radiator, air ducts, bunch of plastic pieces, side air ducts, and radiator brackets. So right now we're gonna replace everything. get the coolant, bleed the car, and we'll be done with the mechanical and just gonna have to install the front bumper. Okay, got a little progress, just removed the old radiator and now we can start installing the new one. As you guys could see, this is behind the radiator's damage as well, and then the front. So right now, I pretty much just gotta sandwich those together like this, and then we'll install the whole assembly back and start putting everything back together. That's it, just installed the center radiator, all the air ducts, so we're all done. So now we can start pouring the coolant. We don't need this anymore. Let's open the engine bay and start pouring some coolant. Okay. Then this is where you pour the coolant. Okay, let's get the vacuum machine out. We'll do vacuum, make sure everything is good, we have no leaks, and then we'll start pouring the coolant. Okay, just put a vacuum machine. We're checking, make sure we have no leaks, and it's been good. It's holding the gauge right where it's supposed to be. It's been about 10 minutes. So now we're gonna start pouring this good stuff right here from Lamborghini itself. It's the coolant pre-mixed and ready to go. Some expensive stuff right here. Gonna put this all in this bucket and then start pouring. Okay, I got everything set up. So now we're ready to go. Alright, we're all finished. Pretty much full bucket. So now we can start the car and warm it up. Okay, just started the car, so now we're gonna wait till this goes all the way up to 90 and hopefully it stays that way. But I think we'll be okay. I don't see why it wouldn't stay. We did everything properly. Yeah, just gonna wait, warm it up, and see how everything goes. the Lamborghini completely together. My job is done. Looks amazing. We're officially finished. Next, we're gonna do a full detail inside out, and the car is ready to go. Let's go. Lamborghini is washed, detailed, and ready to go. Came out beautiful, like nothing happened. We got two beauties up in here. We got a purple one and a red one. Purple is mine, and the red one is customer. Actually, one of my subscribers, he brought this car all the way from Fresno. It's about 6 hours away. So thank you for trusting us with your car. We're officially done with this build, so let's take a look and see exactly what we did. So as you guys remember, it had a front end collision, so we got a brand new bumper, brand new radiator, reinforcement, both headlights. Then while the car was here, customer wanted to respray the whole front end and put PPF, so we resprayed both fenders, hood, bumper, and the whole front end is covered in PPF. Both fenders, hood, bumper, headlights, and emblem all covered with PPF to protect this beautiful paint. He's gonna drive this car back to Fresno. It's about 6 hours, like I said. But yeah, it's ready to go. And then we got this beauty. So if you guys want to do some customizations, we do that as well. I got those are the same cars, exactly same models. But I did Technica conversion, Vorsteiner hood, wing, wheels, side skirts, exhaust, and lowered. So we do everything in-house. So if you guys want to just put your car back to factory how it was after accident, or if you guys want to do a full customizations, we can do everything here in-house. Reach out and we'll be more than happy to hook you guys up. Or if you crashed your exotic and you don't want it anymore and insurance doesn't want to total it, give us a call. We'll buy that from you as well. We buy anything, salvage, clean title, doesn't matter. Give me a call. All my info down in the description. Please reach out. So we're officially done with this build. Today is a beautiful Saturday. Time for me to enjoy and go to Cars and Coffee. And then this car is getting picked up later today. We'll come back and wrap everything up. So thank you guys once again for watching. If you guys are new to this channel and you guys enjoy this car content, you know what to do. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. До свидания!